Life is just a series of fleeting moments. It can be so easy to get caught up in the day-to-day without appreciating what's going on around me. Having the ability to capture the moments of my day that often pass without me noticing helps me be grateful for the lifestyle that I've chosen to live. My name is Whitney, and I'm an ICU nurse and a pilot. My AKASO Brave 6 Plus allows me to capture and relive these minute details of life that would otherwise pass by, so that in every facet of living I can go beyond.